How to move items quickly in Minecraft. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to move items quickly in Minecraft. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do first is to click on E on your keyboard, and then from in there it will open your inventory just like this. So as you can see in here, I have scattered dirt on my inventory. So what I need to do if I want to try to get them in one place is to just double click on one of them. So as you can see, they have been totaled right here. So if you actually want to disperse them on these columns, what you can do is to just right click on it and then put them in a box. As you can see, they have been divided into two. So you can also just right click again, and as you can see, they've been 4. Then in the 4 it will be 2, and in the 2 it will be 1. That's how you can divide it on even right there. So right now I will teach you on how to divide them one by one. So what you need to do is just right click on this again, and then from in here just left click, and then right click, right click, right click, right click, and then right click again. So in that way, you should be able to move items quickly in Minecraft. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to move items quickly in Minecraft. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.